Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. Today is June 18th and I'm extremely excited today because I had some great things happen. Today I had an interview with a six-figure earner, him and his wife, about what it is I'm doing, how I'm accomplishing so much success online. And I just was excited to do it because I'm inspiring other people to start a home-based business and earn a full-time income from home. Those that don't know, my name is Amanda Ray. I'm a single mom of two, and I've been online since 2015. I'm only having success within the last couple of years and just showing people some simple strategies that I use to earn a full-time income online. If you are not friends with me, please send me a friend request to Amanda Ray, amandascoachingplan.com. This is what my profile looks like. And you'll see a little bit of information about the things that I do, some of my posts of the accomplishments that I've made online. And of course, I'm going to show some payment proof. I love to start off with payment proof, especially if I have it, to let you guys know that this is real and you can be extremely successful online if you have the consistency to do so. If somebody would have told me 5 years ago that I would be living this life, I wouldn't believe it. But things happen and life happens, and sometimes you have to move forward and move ahead in order to do better. And that's what I decided to do for myself and my family. I really wanted time freedom. I wanted to be able to do things that I wanted to do. I didn't want to be stuck sitting at a desk, punching into a clock every single day. That just wasn't the life that I wanted to live. And I decided that I was going to go online and find something better. So there's a couple of tools that I use that allows me to gain traffic on a consistent basis to promote my opportunity. And I spend a couple hours a day literally doing the same thing over and over again. And like I said, consistency is key. If you have consistency, you can earn a full-time income online. So what I'm going to show you here is the Power Lead system. For those that don't know, the Power Lead system has been around for 10 years. It's a traffic generation magnet, okay? And what I do is I basically pump traffic to this opportunity, and it spits out commissions on an ongoing basis. And you can link any business to the Power Lead system, and it converts literally off of cold traffic. So what I do is I pay for a certain amount of traffic. As I get people through my funnel, opt-ins and signups, I show people this information on Facebook and YouTube, and it just generates more and more commissions. Cold traffic is basically people that don't know you, they don't know nothing about you. They just took a look at your opportunity and it was intriguing enough for them to pull out their credit card and get started. So right now, the week before last, I made $2,387 with this program. This is my weekly balance. We get paid every single Wednesday. I can click this button here and it'll go directly into my bank account. You can get paid direct deposit, or you can get it on a debit card. And just to go into the balance as far as what I made last week, because the week starts over every single Sunday. Right now I'm at $175 for this week. But last week I made $3,065 with this system. And this is just for the week. We have a few different levels with the Power Lead system. And of course, each level unlocks bigger commissions, but it also unlocks different traffic generation strategies that you can use. And of course, you get what you pay for. So at the higher levels, you just learn how to market your opportunity, put it on autopilot. You get to do things at a higher pace, which allows you to bring in more commissions. So what we have is the gold level, which is $53 a month. It allows you to become an affiliate and to get unlimited $20 commissions. As a diamond member, you pay a one-time payment of $147 and you get unlimited $100 commissions. As a platinum member, you pay a one-time fee of $497 and you get unlimited $400 commissions. And at the Master Traffic Institute level, you make a one-time payment of $1497 and it allows you to get unlimited $1,000 commissions. So looking at my commissions earned for last week, what they do, and what I love about this, is they give you the breakdown of what you earned based on who came into your business. For my residual for last week, I made $640. At the diamond level, I made $525. The platinum level, $400. And at the Master Traffic Institute level, I made a total of $1,500. So that's how I, brought in a total of $3,065 for the week. And they give you, you get the name, the phone number, the email for each person that signs up into your organization. Guys, I've been only doing this since September of 2017, and I've generated thousands and thousands of dollars using the system, just running cold traffic. When you get a sign up or an opt-in, you're going to get an email that looks like this that basically says, a diamond member arrived, a gold member arrived. These are people that have signed up. These right here are people that have opted into your list. And of course, for my team, I give them my traffic generation methods that I use, free and paid, and I show people how to use it on a consistent basis. Okay, so I have like 5 opt-ins here on the 15th, 84 opt-ins on the 14th. Right now I'm at 65 opt-ins as of today. I earned $1,000 4 days ago, a fast start bonus of $400 4 days ago. And, it just keeps going on the 12 $500 commissions. And the only reason why I'm earning these commissions is because I'm consistently running traffic. I know how to do it the right way. I know how to promote the business the right way. And it's highly effective. Not only that, the sales page and the capture page that we have is high converting, which means when people see it, they opt into it, they get more information, or they buy into the program. So that's what I love so much about the Power Lead system. Not only that, like I said, you can connect this to any business opportunity that you have, and it becomes a traffic lead generation magnet that just brings more and more and more people to you as people go through your funnel. So, if you're interested in getting more information about this opportunity, the link is in the description below this video. If you want to reach out to me, that information is also available in the description below. I'm looking to inspire as many people as I can to start a home-based business and give people information about what it is that I do, teach them the strategies that I know, and show them how to earn a full-time income from home. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Have a great night.